Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World. In the previous chapter we have studied the refraction of light by lenses, convex lens and concave lens, and you know the optical instruments like camera, telescopes, they all work on the refraction of light through various types of artificial lens. Our human eye also works on the refraction of light through natural convex lens that enables us to see things around us. Our eye is the most important optical instrument that's gifted to us by the Lord, and without eye, all other optical instruments would have no value at all. So in this chapter, we'll study about the construction and working of human eye. Then we will discuss about the common defects of eye. Then a refraction through glass slab. Then we'll discuss atmospheric refraction, and at last we will discuss about scattering of light by the atmosphere. So let's start with the human eye. The main parts of the human eye that are cornea, iris, pupil, ciliary muscles, eye lens, retina, and optic nerves. Okay, so look at this diagram. This is our human eye. This is approximately spherical in shape, having a diameter of about 2.5 centimeter. We'll now describe the construction and working of the eye. First of all, we'll discuss the construction part. So let's start with our front part, outer part of our eye, that is called cornea. You can look at this diagram. This is the front part of our eye. It's made of transparent substance and it's bulging outwards. So we can say the outer surface of cornea is convex in shape. Now the light coming from objects enters this eye through this cornea. Okay. Next part of the cornea, our eye, is iris. You can see here iris. This is a colored diaphragm, and it's because of this colored diaphragm we have different colored eyes: green colored, blue colored eyes. Okay, this is a flat colored ring shaped membrane behind the cornea. There's a hole in the middle of this iris. You can see here this hole is called a pupil, and it appears black to us because no light is reflected from it. Next important part, that is eye lens. Eye lens is convex lens, okay, and made of transparent, soft and flexible material like a jelly made of proteins. And being flexible, eye lens can change its shape. It can become thick or thin to focus light on a screen, okay. And this eye lens, you can see here, it's held in position, and it's held in position by suspensory ligaments. These are a type of connective tissues. One end of suspensory ligaments is attached to the eye lens, and other end is attached to the ciliary muscles. These ciliary muscles change the thickness of eye lens while focusing. You can say focal length of eye lens can be changed by changing its shape and with the help of ciliary muscles. And in this respect, eye differs from a camera. The focal length of the convex lens used in camera is fixed. There's a fixed focal length, and that cannot be changed. But the focal length of the convex lens present inside the eye can be changed by the action of ciliary muscles. Okay. Now the next part, important part, that is the screen on which image is formed. Just behind the eye lens, at the back part of the eye, is a screen called retina. This is just like the film in a camera, and the retina is a delicate membrane having large number of light sensitive cells called rods and cones, which respond to intensity of light and color of objects. And whenever light rays are focused there, an image is formed, and these light sensitive cells generate electrical signals, and these signals are sent to the brain by the optic nerves, which are connected to the brains. Okay, though it means optic nerves convey image to the brain. Now at this junction here, at the junction of optic nerve and retina, there are no light sensitive cells present here, no rods, no cones, due to which no vision is possible at this spot. This spot is called blind spot. And here there's a small area of retina insensitive to light, where the optic nerves leave the eye. And when an image of an object falls on this blind spot, it cannot be seen by the eye. One more important thing, there's the eyelid in front of our eye, which is just like the shutter in a camera. When the eyelid is open, light can enter the eye, and when eyelid is closed, light will not enter the eye. Now the space between this eye lens and the retina is filled with a jelly-like substance called a vitreous humor, and the space here between cornea and the eye lens is filled with another fluid, another liquid, that's called aqueous humor. This was all about the construction part of the human eye.